Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install and configure the free version of the Wordfence security plugin for WordPress. Wordfence is one of the most popular security plugins, offering a robust set of features to keep your site safe. Let's get started. Security is crucial for every WordPress site, and Wordfence is a great tool to help protect your site from threats. Today, I'll guide you through the installation and initial setup of Wordfence. Let's dive in. First, let's install the Wordfence plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for Wordfence Security. Click Install Now, and then Activate. Once activated, you'll be prompted to start the Wordfence setup. Fill in the required fields to complete the setup process. You'll now be taken to the Wordfence dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of your site's security status. Let's configure some basic settings. Go to Wordfence, All Options. In the General Options section, ensure that email alerts are enabled for critical issues and alerts. This keeps you informed about any security issues on your site. Next, configure the firewall settings. Go to the Firewall Options section and set the basic firewall status to Automatically Enabled. Enable additional firewall settings as required. In the Blocking Options section, you can manually block IP addresses that you know are suspicious. This adds an extra layer of protection to your site. This is a premium feature which is available with a Wordfence upgrade. Now, let's set up regular scans to detect any potential threats. Go to Wordfence, Scan. Click Start New Scan to perform a scan immediately. Wordfence will check for malware, vulnerabilities, and other security issues. To configure automatic scans, go to All Options, Scan Options. Here, you can set the scan schedule and configure what the scans should include, or use the default option and allow Wordfence to automatically perform the scan. Manual scan configuration is only available in the premium version of Wordfence. Make sure to enable scans for malware, file changes, and suspicious code. After a scan completes, review the results under the Scan tab. Wordfence will provide a detailed report of any issues found. If any threats are detected, you'll have options to delete, repair, or ignore the issues. It's important to address any high-risk threats immediately. You'll also receive email alerts for critical issues. Make sure to review these alerts and take action as needed to keep your site secure. Wordfence offers advanced features like rate limiting, two-factor authentication, and reCAPTCHA integration. Explore these options under the All Options tab for additional security enhancements. For example, enable two-factor authentication by going to Login Security, Two-Factor Authentication. Follow the setup instructions to secure your login process. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed and configured the Wordfence security plugin to protect your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. If you have questions or would like to just leave a comment, feel free to do so in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.